Have you seen this method of cooking indomie before? Anyways, come join me, let's prepare this yummy indomie for myself. When I was done with the house chores this afternoon, I became very hungry. Thought of something quick to prepare, then I remember we have indomie in the house. Even though I know indomie does not take time to get ready, still yet the hunger in me cannot afford to parboil it for the first time before cooking. And guys, that was how I landed myself in this new method. Anyways, I make sure to wash it very well, like very well before cooking it straight. Added my indomie mange and this indomie groundnut oil. Quote me if I am wrong, I think this particular flavor is the best flavor Indomie company has ever made. I mean, if you're a lover of onions like me, you should love this particular flavor. But Shao, let me know what you think. Do you love this particular flavor or there is another one that interests you more? Life of a content creator, just in the process of moving my camera around, trying to change different angles, I ended up adding my veggies late. So before we satisfy our hungry, let's quickly unshell our eggs. Successfully unshelled. So guys, our meal is ready. So my yummy friends, let me know, is this a eat or jump and pass for you? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you on my next one. Cordino.